Hello. Are you struggling to go to sleep and you're thinking maybe I'll try sleep hygiene? So you've gone online and you looked up sleep hygiene and you've gotten a bunch of ideas of things you can do. But the whole purpose of sleep hygiene is not just to have a list of things, it's what you do in a 24-hour period that is either going to help you fall asleep or keep you awake. And that's the basis of sleep hygiene. I'm Dr. Hamilton Stubbs. I'm a double board certified sleep specialist and a certified nutrition specialist. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I hope you will. I'd love to have you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about sleep hygiene, but I want to talk about one of the components that we don't stress enough. That's your mattress. If you have gotten a new mattress, then you may still want to listen to this. If you haven't gotten a mattress and it's been a while, you definitely want to listen to it. But before we get started, I want to tell you about a giveaway that I'm having. You can find it on my website at drhamiltonstubbs.com. I'll put the link below, but it's my giveaway. I'm giving away a free one-on-one coaching session for 3 months to people who sign up for my 3-day intensive if you get the VIP package. So find out the details on my website, and here's a little bit of what we're going to be doing if you are the person who gets the giveaway. For 3 months, we're going to be working together, and I'm going to help you accomplish 3 things. We're going to look at your chronotype. This is your predetermined genetically best time for bed and your most productive hours during the day. We're also going to be identifying what's keeping you awake. Everybody's a little bit different. Things that might wake me up at night may not bother you. Then we're going to look at controlling bedtime thoughts. You know, those racing thoughts when you finally get into bed, they just sort of pop out of nowhere. Everything that you need to do that you didn't do, all the stressors, they just seem to come rushing at you when you're trying to get some sleep. I'm going to give you some tips on how you can maybe slow those down and get some sleep. And then we're going to learn some relaxation techniques. So go to my website and check it out. The link's below. I hope you join me for the 3-day intensive and get the VIP package and become eligible for the giveaway. It's limited to the first 30 people, so you know what to do. Go on and sign up. So this is going to be a series of videos on the ultimate guide for your mattress. A good night's sleep is essential to health. We know that sleep is anti-inflammatory, and almost all chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, stroke, obesity, they have all been associated with inflammation. So getting a good night's sleep is going to be helpful. But we have to do some things to ensure that we're going to get a good night's sleep. And one of the things that most of us do is we sleep on mattresses. But have you ever thought about the type of mattresses that we have available to us? There's 5 types. One type is the inner spring mattress. This is a mattress that has steel coils, and they're very supportive. They can give you a very firm surface to sleep on, and these mattresses last pretty long. Then there's the memory foam. The memory foam mattress takes the contour of your body, so it's good for if you need to relieve pressure, maybe on a sore joint, and it also absorbs motion. This may be a good choice for someone with periodic limb movements who has a bed partner who's being disturbed by those leg jerks. And it's good for couples if you have one person is a light sleeper and they might not sleep through the movement of the bed partner. It's normal to move around during sleep, and so you might have a little difficulty sleeping if you're a very light sleeper. Then there's the latex mattress. And can be made out of natural or synthetic latex. And these mattresses are real responsive to your body's need, and they have a bouncy feel. They're hypoallergenic, and they offer excellent breathability, especially on those for hot nights. It'll give you a cooler night of sleep. And there's the hybrid mattress. This is a combination of a inner spring mattress with either foam or latex, and they offer comfort and motion isolation too. And then the last type, the fifth type, is the air mattress. Now I was really surprised about this air mattress because I thought people use it for camping, or if you have guests and you don't have an extra bedroom or extra bed, they make good places to just temporarily have someone sleep. But people can use these permanently. They have adjustable air chambers that allow you to customize the firmness of these mattresses, and they're very useful to people who need individual support. And if you have couples that have different preferences, some of these air mattresses will allow you to do that. Now, what I'm noticing is when I did this research to look at the different types of mattresses, there's a couple of them that I don't see here, at least two. One is I just drew a blank on that. Let's see, what was I going to say? The water mattress. Remember those? I think there are some people out there who still use the water mattress. That's one that it takes the contour of your body. It does give you a little bit of motion, but they're pretty hard on your floor. They're very heavy. I don't know how popular they are now, but they used to be very popular. And then you have the number bed, and that may be using one of these different mattresses, but just giving you a little bit more flexibility in the frame so that you can adjust how high or low the head or the foot of the bed is. So now we want to talk about lifespan, because that's where it really gets important for sleep hygiene. Because if you don't sleep well, it could simply be that it's your mattress, that the mattress isn't giving you the type of support or comfort. And it could also be that your mattress has some toxic fumes in it, especially if it's new and it hasn't been aired out. Or if it's old, it could contain allergens, dust mite, bacteria that could be causing allergies, flare-ups of asthma, and these can wake you up at night. So how long do mattresses usually last? A rule of thumb, if your mattress is over 10 years old, there's probably time to look at getting a new mattress. But if your mattress is finished on both sides and maybe a new mattress is not in your budget, you might be able to flip that mattress over. Now, some of the newer mattresses are not finished on both sides. If that's the case with your mattress, then you might want to just turn the mattress so that the mattress gets pressure on different sides, or you can switch sides with your bed partner. The latex mattress lasts the longest. It lasts up to 15 years. The memory foam mattress, to my surprise, it also lasts a long time. I always thought that those mattresses would sink in and you just wouldn't be able to get comfortable because they kind of sag. And I thought they would do that a lot sooner than their expected lifespan, which is anywhere from 8 to 12 years. The hybrid mattress also lasts between 8 to 10 years. And then the air mattress, that really surprised me because I just picture those things getting a pin in them or somebody sticking a knife down in there by accident because they were eating in the bed. And but they tend to have an average life expectancy of 8 to 10 years. And then the inner spring mattress, I thought those things last like 20 years, but they last a maximum of 10 years. So if you haven't had a new mattress and your mattress is showing some signs of wear and tear, like sagging, people can tell what side of the bed you're sleeping on, that's a sign that you might need another mattress. And if you just don't feel comfortable and you can't get comfortable in your bed, Definitely if the springs are popping up, or if you have a problem with allergens or dust and it's not being controlled by a cover on the mattress, it might be time to look for another mattress. When you're in the bed, if you turn from side to side and you hear the creaking, cracking noise of those springs or the inner workings of the bed, sign you need to get another mattress. So I hope this helps. If it's been helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with someone who might like this information or need it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. I'd love to have you. I'm Dr. Hamilton Stubbs, a board certified sleep specialist, certified nutrition specialist, and I'm happy that you joined me for this video.